Imagine this. The morning sun streams through your kitchen window as you savor the aroma of freshly brewed coffee. The gentle warmth of the sun fills the room, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere. It's a moment of peace before the hustle and bustle of the day begins. Your day is just beginning and you're ready to embrace it with energy and vitality. You take a deep breath, feeling the promise of a new day. The world outside is waking up, and so are you, with a sense of purpose and enthusiasm. It all starts with making nourishing choices. And what could be simpler or more satisfying than 2 perfectly boiled eggs? These little powerhouses are packed with protein and essential nutrients, providing the perfect fuel to kickstart your day. This isn't just breakfast, it's a commitment to your well-being. Each bite is a step towards a healthier, more vibrant you. It's about making mindful choices that support your body and mind. A small change with the potential to transform your health, one delicious bite at a time. The simplicity of boiled eggs belies their incredible impact on your overall wellness. Join me as we explore the incredible benefits packed within those humble shells. From boosting your energy levels to supporting muscle growth, these eggs are a powerhouse of nutrition. Let's dive into the journey of making every morning a deliciously simple start. Let's talk about protein, the building block of a healthy body. Protein is essential for repairing tissues, making enzymes, and supporting immune function. It's a crucial part of every cell in your body. Each egg is a powerhouse, providing around 6 grams of high-quality protein. This makes eggs an excellent choice for a quick, nutritious snack or a key ingredient in your meals. This essential nutrient supports muscle growth, keeps you feeling full and energized throughout the morning, and plays a vital role in countless bodily functions. Whether you're an athlete or just looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle, incorporating eggs into your diet can be highly beneficial. But the goodness doesn't stop there. Eggs are incredibly versatile and can be prepared in numerous ways, making them a staple in many diets around the world. Eggs are bursting with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamins B12, D, and A. These vitamins are crucial for maintaining healthy skin, bones, and vision, as well as choline, iron, and zinc. Choline is vital for brain health, while iron and zinc support your immune system and overall well-being. These nutrients work synergistically to support your overall health and vitality. So next time you reach for a snack or plan a meal, remember the power-packed protein and nutrients that eggs offer. Feeling foggy-headed? Eggs can help. The choline found in eggs is crucial for brain health, supporting memory, focus, and cognitive function. Imagine starting your day with enhanced mental clarity, ready to tackle any task. But that's not all. The protein and healthy fats in eggs contribute to a stable blood sugar level, keeping those energy crashes at bay. You'll power through your morning feeling focused and productive. Section 4. Small change, big impact. Incorporating 2 boiled eggs into your daily routine is simple, affordable, and easily adaptable to your taste. Whether you're a busy professional or a stay-at-home parent, this small addition can seamlessly fit into your lifestyle. Enjoy them plain, sprinkle with a touch of sea salt and pepper, or get creative with flavorful toppings. You can add herbs, avocado, or even a dash of your favorite spices to make them more exciting. The beauty lies in the ease of this healthy habit. Boiled eggs are quick to prepare and can be enjoyed at any time of the day, whether for breakfast, a snack, or even a light dinner. It's a small change that can lead to significant improvements in your overall health and well-being. Over time, you may notice increased energy levels, better concentration, and even a boost in your mood. Consistency is key, and you'll be amazed by the positive impact it has on your life. By making boiled eggs a regular part of your diet, you're investing in a healthier, more vibrant you. So start today and witness the transformation. Section 5. Radiant Health, Inside and Out. The benefits of this simple breakfast extend beyond energy and focus. The vitamins and minerals found abundantly in eggs like biotin and zinc contribute to healthy skin, hair, and nails. Imagine a natural glow that radiates from within. While no single food is a magic solution, Incorporating nutrient-rich foods like eggs into your diet can contribute to your overall health and vitality, leading to radiant skin and luscious locks. Section 6. Your journey to a healthier you. Starting your day with 2 boiled eggs isn't just about breakfast. It's a mindful choice towards a healthier and more vibrant you. It's about nourishing your body from within, fueling your mind, and embracing a life filled with energy and vitality. So why not give it a try? Embrace the simplicity, enjoy the deliciousness, and experience the transformative power of 2 boiled eggs each morning. Your body will thank you,